Which of the following are functions? Each student at Tri-C has a unique S number, where the two sets would be the student as the domain and the S numbers would be the range. This happens to be a function because we have the assumption that every student has one and only one S number, hopefully. So again, as stated, the domain would be the set of students. And the range would be the S numbers. Right. Part B, your credit score as your apply. No, you apply. For home loans at various banks in one day. And we're going from you to your credit score. Well, if you did not know, every time a different organization other than yourself checks your credit score, your score changes, especially if you did it twice in one day. So with that, if you are going from bank to bank to get a home loan, that's not good. The second bank will have a lower score than the first one. So with that in mind, because you might have two different credit scores on the same day, does that make this relationship a function? Nope, not a function. In part C, we have the specific x values. -2 goes to 8, 5 goes to 6, 9 goes to 14, 12 goes to 6, and 17 goes to 7. So ask yourself, does every x value go to one and only one y value? And your answer should be yes. This is a function. Couple things to note. It's perfectly fine if two different x values go to the same y values. So if 5 goes to 6 and 12 also goes to 6, that's fine. But if we saw 5 go to 6 and 5 go to 8, that's not good because that one x value, 5, goes to two different y values, in this case 6 and 8. Now, when writing the domain, be very, very careful. You cannot say -2 to 17 in interval notation because that includes all real numbers between -2 and 17. We only want the specific x values written there. So only -2, only 5, only 9, only 12, only 17. And likewise, the range, we only list the values. 8, 6, 14. We don't need to write 6 twice because it's already there. 7. And comment on that. You don't have to write them in order when you are in what's called roster notation. You could just put the letter or the numbers or whatever the elements are, in this case numbers, in any order you want. If you want to rewrite it as 6, 7, 8, 14, that's fine. It does not have to be in order though.